If you ever need to let a website open a new window, a login box, or an important confirmation screen, then knowing how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn on pop-ups in Chrome, and I'll keep it super simple so you can follow along no matter your experience level. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome blocks pop-ups by default for security reasons, so if a site is not working properly, this setting is often the reason. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control all kinds of browser options. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps the controls for things like cookies, site permissions, camera access, microphone access, and more. After that, click Site Settings. Settings is the area that lets you manage how websites behave inside Chrome. Scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is the exact page where Chrome lets you decide whether websites can open pop-ups and redirect you to other pages. Once you're on that screen, look for the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Select that option to allow pop-ups globally in Chrome. As soon as you choose it, Chrome will stop blocking pop-ups across websites that you visit. And that's it. You've successfully allowed pop-ups in Google Chrome. If a website was giving you trouble before, refresh the page and try again, and it should now work properly. If you want more browser tips, software fixes, and easy tutorials like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.